is probably what you'd expect. Now I understand that DI song. They don't hang ten, they serve goosey step. On the pier they love their hateful weekend rallies, where bigotry is called freedom of speech. I don't know how they could be so angry when they live at the fucking beach. Those Huntington Beach Nazis call themselves right-wing renegades. They used to gather for the bonfire mass burnings. Now they wear them in their new brown shirt brigades. Huntington Beach Nazis like to frame trade school and city college degrees. Don't it seem silly that they still fly vote for Trump flags? These racists live way too close to me. Called the Eagle's Nest. There's a print shop called Swat Stickers. Their white print on white t-shirts is the best. It's hard to find a legal place to skateboard, but easy to find a mask or book burning. And in a town where there's no Cesar Chavez Avenue, you know there's definitely no Martin Luther King. Those Minnesota Nazis are so sure that they're part of the master race. Why do they cover their white faces when they're shooting friendly white unarmed lesbians in the face? Oh, there's Nazis in my neighborhood. Old white bitter people can be so rude. When they deport all of their Mexicans, they'll have to cook their own Mexican food. America, America, is ignorance and pride what you call great? America, America, seems more like Germany in '38. America has paid the highest price. Now that we'll never clean all the blood off the ice. America, why can't we all agree? It's okay to judge and have some hate for people if you base it on their ethics, not their ethnicity.
Yes, that is true. But have you ever been bought and sold like cattle? Treated like a chattel? No, I didn't think so. And for all the libraries and schools they built, we'll never admonish them of their guilt. Full of books filled with big white lies.
This is our history! It's no longer shrouded in mystery! Shared from everyone's perspective, objective not subjective, a truth observed by us all!
And the statues erected in their name and fall. And even though some still revere, the legacy they thought was left will no longer remain here. Your charity did not extend to those who stole from their land, worked until their death at your hand. But what do I know? Who am I to say? I have no more excuses for you today. Listen to one who's felt your ignorance, a gentleman, a scholar, a poet.
a pension, but I know your intention. Your high-powered connection. Cut the crap and set I free. I have not drunk your wine. That blood you shed is mine. Your paper I won't sign. Cut the crap and set I free. You're not doing me no favor. I was born a rebel raver. You is a two-faced neighbor, and you think that you have me. Black star liner like I ride the storm. I looked and then I saw the norm. Set up yours, no, I won't conform. I just live selfishly. No, you offer me a share. You're acting like you care, but how did I get here? Come, we check the history. You want me to look like you. It's the fear you're going through. What you offer me won't do. Cut the crap and set I free.